know.
And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back.
Hey food fam, welcome back to another video. Your girl is hungry and today I want to try some Ethiopian food. I've never tried Ethiopian food before, but I've always been dying to try it. So I thought, why not today be the day? So before we get into the rest of the video, subscribe, make sure you like it and leave a comment. Now, let's get to the food. Okay guys, so we're gonna call the restaurant now to make my order to go and pick it up. 0207 701. I don't know why I feel like I'm doing a prank call, but I'm really not. I'm just ordering food. Hi, is this Zeret Kitchen?
It is Zeret Kitchen, yeah.
Hi, can I make an order to pick up, please?
Sure, what would you like?
Can I have the Zeret surprise?
Okay, for how many people? One is enough for two.
Yeah, so can I just have one, please?
Sure, may I have your name?
Vanessa. It'll be ready in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come. Thank you.
Thank you, sister.
Hopefully the food is gonna taste great. I'm so excited. I've never tried Ethiopian food before. I've been told that the vegan vegetarian dishes are usually nicer than the meat ones. So I'm definitely looking forward to that because we are ready to detox for 2022. So here is the restaurant, guys. It is in Camberwell. Hello. Hi, I'm here to pick up an order. Vanessa. So I've got the food. It's like the lady knew who I was when I came. Well, do you know what? Let me not even, it's not that deep. I was probably the first order or something. But here's the food. Now let's quickly get home so that we can eat. So here is the food. Ah! It smells so good. But the only thing that has me nervous is the Injera. We have something in from my country, and I'm from Ghana. We call it banku. I hate banku. Oh, I don't like it, and this smells just like it. It's fermented cassava or fermented flour, and this is just giving me banku vibes. So we'll see how that goes, but the rest of everything smells good. I hope I'm pronouncing everything correctly. We've got some Azefa, which is brown lentils. Which one looks more brown? Maybe this one. Brown lentils. We've got some beef wot, which is this one, which looks like it looks like a beef stew. Chicken Tibs. Ooh, smells like a fajita. Fajita. Atkilt Alecha. I hope I'm saying it properly again, which is basically cabbage. Shuro Wot, which I think is this one, the Shuro Wot, which is like chickpeas. And then we've got Misir Wot, which is red lentil stew. Salad and my water, of course. Now let's take a sip to cleanse the palate. I'm so excited, guys. Let's start with the cabbage. So it's like cabbage with some green beans and carrots and stuff. This should be good. I love vegetables. Okay, let's go. I think it's like cabbage and potatoes.
It was at this moment that she knew.
This is good. We've got to try everything. 10 out of 10. Salad, of course, is salad. I mean, I should have got a fork, but this will do. I mean, do you know what? What makes a good salad for me is when you add onions. If there's no red onion in your salad, is it really a salad? Let's try the beef wat. So I'm gonna stir it up. It does look a bit oily, but it's okay. You know, Africans, we eat oil. I'm gonna try it first without the injera, just so I can get the real taste and the real flavors of everything. Let's try it again. I feel like it's just missing some spice, some like Scotch bonnet pepper. But you know what? Maybe it tastes better with the injera. Do I want to mess up my nails? Why not? Why not? Let's go in. Let's eat like our ancestors. Woo, guys, I'm so scared. Okay, let's go. Okay. First of all, the injera is like spongy. You can't really taste it. You can't really like chew on it because it just melts in the mouth. Literally, it just melts in the mouth. Maybe, do you know what? I can't really taste the taste of the banku as much as I can smell it. And I think maybe that's what's kind of making me scared. But let me try it again. I've got to make sure I don't finish this because this is actually made for two. And I have a husband here that's hungry. I think the sauce is missing some sort of Scotch bonnet pepper. Just a bit more spice. Let's try this. So this looks like some red lentils stew. Again, we're gonna try it first by itself. This is nice. Wow, like if I had a child, I would definitely feed them this. Now, oh, the spice is kicking. I'm feeling it. This is bussin'. I'm joking. This bangs, so it's so good. Now let me try it with the injera. See, the injera it's like it's got a bitter taste. It's a little bit sour. So you can taste the sourness, maybe just down to my preference. This doesn't really tickle my fancy, but I could eat this one. Misir Wot. I can eat that by itself any day. With yams, plantain. But this, yeah, I feel like it kills it because it's a bit bitter, like sour. Onto the chicken. So I've got some peppers, onions, and chicken. Well, let's taste it. I just feel like you can't go wrong with chicken. Now with the injera. I think I've created something. This goes really well with the chicken Tibs. Like I said, it's giving me fajita vibes. The chicken is a yes. And now we are gonna try the Azefa, which is the brown lentils. This is actually a lot of food, but it looks like it's so fun to eat. Like I can imagine like the whole family together. The thing is, because I got it takeaway, so the injera is broken up, so it's not gonna give me that nice circle. I can imagine the family sitting at a table with the injera opened up, you know, with everything docked on as you see in the pictures. That's a vibe. So I think I'm actually gonna go and eat at the restaurant one day. Let's try this one. Maybe I'm warming up to this injera thing because this is good. Now let's try it by itself. It's nice. I really do like this. I do prefer the red one though to the brown one, just because the red one has more spice. Recently I've been liking spice. That's the only reason why I like this one more than this one, but this is just as good. Let me eat a little bit more. I'm really enjoying this food, and this is the first time I have Ethiopian friends. I've just never tried their food, but now it might have to be a thing because it's not everyday Chinese. And now we're gonna try the Shuro Wot. It's basically chickpea flour in like a stew. It's giving me baby food, but it's proven to be good so far. So let's go. Let's taste it. I do like it. But let's try it with the injera now. Let's see if it's busting for real. See, no. The reason why I can't eat this one with the Injera is because there's no texture. The Shuro Wot is very like soupy. Can you see? I just don't like the texture. That's it. But my favorite has to be this red lentil one. It's the Misir Wot and this cabbage potato vegetable thing. It is good. Now guys, I mean, I'm actually gonna go and eat this. The thing is, if I keep eating it now, it's all gonna be gone, especially this one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Come eat with me again. I'll be trying something new, so make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment down below if there's anything you want me to try. Maybe it's your country food. If there's any restaurant you want me to try, comment that down below. Bye.